Yo, what's up guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. So guys, let us remember you that in last video we have done and completed both the parts of the chapter The Moon, and in this video we are going to start with a new chapter which is States of Matter. So guys, let's start. States of Matter. Matter. You must have noticed many different materials or substances around you. All things, living and non-living, are made up of matter. Any substance that occupies space and has weight is known as matter. It is found in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid. Solid are the substances in which the molecules are closely packed. They do not have space to move around. Therefore, solids have a fixed shape, weight, and volume. The space between the molecules of a solid is almost invisible. Due to this, these molecules are packed tightly to each other. Liquid. Liquid are the substances in which the molecules are loosely packed. They have spaces to move around. Therefore, liquids do not have a fixed shape but have a definite volume. The space between molecules of liquid is more than solids. Therefore, liquids can flow and can be poured. Gas. Gases are the substances in which the molecules have lots of space between them. They move around freely, therefore, gases have neither a definite shape nor a fixed volume. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide are gases. As compared to solids and liquids, the space between the gas molecules is very large. Changes in the states of matter. The process of heating and cooling can cause changes in state of matter. You already know that water changes its form on heating or cooling. On heating, water changes into water vapor. This is called evaporation. Ice changes into water due to melting. On the other hand, on cooling, water changes into ice due to freezing. Physical and chemical changes. The changes in the states of matter are of two types: physical change and chemical change. Physical change. A change that is temporary and can be reversed is a physical change. Consider the following changes. Ice changes into water when heated or kept at room temperature, and water changes back into ice on cooling or freezing. Solid wax melts on heating, and liquid wax turns on to solid wax on cooling. Inflating and deflating of a balloon. Wetting and drying of clothes. Chemical change. A change that is permanent and cannot be reversed at all is a chemical change. In this change, a new substance is formed. Consider the following changes. A piece of paper burns and changes into ash. Cooking of food, burning of wood, coal, petrol, etc. Digestion of food in the body. Solubility. You have studied in your previous class that a substance that dissolves completely in another liquid is called a soluble substance. The molecules of a soluble substance dissolve when they get into the spaces between the molecules of the other substance. This is the reason why liquids are generally used to dissolve solids. The soluble substance and the liquid together make a solution. Solids in water. Sugar and salt dissolve in water and form a solution. Therefore, we say that they are soluble in water. However, chalk, sand, soil, and wood are some insoluble substances that do not dissolve in water. Put some potassium permanganate particles in water and observe. Liquids in water. Some liquids also dissolve in water, like milk, glycerine, and alcohol. Liquids that dissolve completely in other liquids are called miscible liquids. Juices like apple juice and lemon juice also dissolve in water. However, some liquids such as oils and paints do not dissolve in water. Emulsion. As you noticed in the above activity, when liquid detergent was added in oil mixed with water, the liquid detergent acts as an emulsifier. It makes oil and water mix. Such a mixture is called an emulsion. Gases in water. Some gases also dissolve in water, like oxygen, nitrogen, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. When we boil water, the bubbles formed in the vessel are nothing but the dissolved water gases that escape from the water on heating. The gases dissolved in water like rivers, lakes, and oceans, etc. is oxygen. Since oxygen is soluble in water, aquatic life is possible. Thank you guys. That's all for today. We will meet in next video. Goodbye.